All right, these are gonna be the service elevators.
I mean, things you don't really pay any attention to.
Well, here are the main service elevators. Oh, and these have regular Lexan buttons.
It's just amazing how different they all are.
I think Dan, I don't know if you guys ever got the parts or not.
Wow.
Yeah, as long as it works, you're good.
Yeah, I don't know if he has them or not. Dan just,
We
because I took the call
saw,
Saturday, I come down and give him a hand for a few minutes to see if I could get them
I don't, I
working.
think it was one of the life insurance buildings. All the doors were hand etched with the different provinces and things that were particular to Canada and its history. Just gorgeous. So.
Actually, there's another building around the corner here. Yeah, the Marine building, yeah.
That's on our list today.
The elevator,
That's amazing.
Yeah.
The lobby doors are solid brass. This thing, and it's stacked. Very nice scenery on the doors. The elevators have a piece of wood.
One of them just came. Let's see which one it is.
Patterned wood. It's a piece of
This one.
tree that grows in the province of British Columbia.
Oh.
I gotta go see what I need.
All right, so where are we going?
Why don't we just go down? We'll take you down to the A level.
A?
My favorite one in Tampa is at the Henry Plant Museum. He was a big railroad guy in Florida, and it's all handcrafted.
Oh, this black button fixtures.
It's just gorgeous.
I bet.
Smells like spaghetti in here.
Yeah, this is when we transport all the food and beverage for the banquet.
Okay.
You know how unusual it is to see all the indicator lights work?
I'm sure it is. Well, we just missed one.
Yeah, they go 1, 2, skip a few.
Yeah, because the lights inside are burnt out. Whoa, that stopped hard.
Yeah, so there didn't we actually be somebody who's gonna get in right now?
Julian?
All right,
Up or down?
down.
Oh, down.
Wow.
Yeah, mostly in the States, they've taken out all the heat sensitive
So we'll get off on this
buttons.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in Canada still, but they're rare in the US now. But even here in Canada, they're getting rare. And there's your call
I know,
station.
when your Dewhurst are pretty common here.
Yeah. Well, there it goes. That's gonna be it.